Here's just a quick video on the Takegawa OEM look-alike performance exhaust system that I just installed. As you can see here, here's the original system. Weighs about 3,000 pounds. Got the little catalytic converter in there. But as you can also see from the way this system is designed, the Takegawa system looks exactly the same. Every install point, every nut, every bolt, you just pull the parts over from one to the other and you're ready to go. They do break the system right there at the muffler to the header pipe, and the header pipe removes the OEM system and then just bolts right up. So you can also see the world's smallest Takegawa sticker ever created. That comes with it, so there's a bonus. We can walk around to the back here real quick, and you can see that it uses the stock cover. The tailpipe is slightly different. You can see the tailpipe differences there versus the stock one there, and the stock cover, in my case painted, goes right over and covers it right up. So if we want to hear this thing, this is a cold start, so I'll just fire it up real quick. See if we can. So a little deeper than normal. So there's the system. Drove it a little today. Really seems to perform pretty well. Does pop a little bit, but most of these systems do. Really cleans up the bottom of the bike. As you can see, gain back most, if not all, of your clearance there. So that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.